Okay, I'm going to show you how to line our Abbotsford food waste collection containers with newspaper. The containers are approximately 12, by 8 inches. So, this is with our Abbotsford newspaper, which is approximately 15 by 11.5 inches. So you need 3 sheets. And I start with one at the top. And then I make a T. And then I do one at the bottom. So I end with a perfect square. From there, you fold the top left corner down to the bottom right corner. And you should have a triangle. I spin it so the longest side of the triangle is towards me. And then these 2 corners I'm going to fold over so that this line is parallel with this line. So you can see if you do it in the wrong direction, you're not parallel. So I simply flap it over like that. The other side lines up like that. Now at this point I find them a little tall, so I do about 1.5 inches on the bottom. And then I fold the flaps down. As a final step, I have this little stapleless stapler from Lee Valley that I like to use. Totally not necessary, but it holds the flaps down. Just show a close-up of that little staple. You can see from the back, it's just a little paperless staple. And then this full part just kind of flattens down on the bottom. And you kind of spread it open and tuck it in like that. That's all there is to it.